Hi guys, and welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. If this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to say hi and welcome. I hope you enjoy what you see and stick around. Today's DIY Make It Your Own Monday project is this really fun lantern, and it's pretty exciting for me because it's probably my most favorite that I've done so far. So if you would like to see how I made this lantern out of 4 picture frames from the Dollar Tree, please keep watching. You'll need to start out with 4 5x7 picture frames. I got mine from the Dollar Tree and they worked awesome. Wooden stir sticks. I ended up using skewer rods because I didn't have anything else, but I suggest the wooden stir sticks because they're flat and you'll see why. Chalk paint, a hot glue gun, 2 8-inch by 7 1/4 by 1-inch wood blocks. And you can go to Home Depot, super cheap, and they will cut them for you to the size that you need. 1 6-inch by 5.5 by 1-inch block, and 1 5.5 by 4-inch by 1-inch block. You'll also need 2-inch copper fitting, which I got mine at my local hardware store for 25 cents, and they will cut that also for you. And a small piece of thick rope. You can get that at Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever, and they will also cut that for you. All right, we're going to start by taking out the glass from the picture frames, and we're going to paint them with the chalk paint. Then while those are drying, we're going to paint the wooden stir sticks. In my case, I used the skewer sticks, and I just took a napkin because I find it's easier than a paintbrush, and just rubbed it up and down the skewer stick. Then while those are drying, you paint the wooden blocks, all 4 of them. And you don't need to paint the bottoms because those are just going to be glued together, or it's just going to be the bottom of the lantern. I actually got this idea online from a picture I saw on HGTV's website from a while back. And I will try and link that in the description box so you can see step-by-step instructions. After everything's dried, you're going to grab the frames again, flip them upside down, grab the wooden stir sticks, and we're going to glue them to look like window panes. I think that's what they're called. And then as soon as you get those stuck in, you're going to grab the glass and run a bead of hot glue around the edges of the frame and pop the glass in. I kept the little tabs on the back of the frame just for extra hold on the glass because I didn't want it to just be the hot glue holding it in, but you can do either way. After you have all the glass back in, you're going to glue the edges of the frames together to make a box or a square or the lantern shape. I did it and then realized I did it wrong, so that's why you see some of the paint missing on the edges. So I'm just redoing it so that it's even on all sides. Then you're going to glue the whole piece, the lantern sides, to the base, which is the wood block that is 8" by 7 1/4. You're going to glue that on top. And then you're going to take the other 3 remaining blocks, glue those together from largest to smallest. And then you're going to take the copper fitting and the rope, and this we didn't do on camera because I forgot to turn it on, but you just feed the rope through the copper fitting, and we put a little bit of hot glue in there just so it would hold, because that's going to kind of be your handle. Then you just glue the rope and copper fitting on top of the smallest block. And then you're pretty much done. You can fill the lantern with whatever you want. I chose to go with succulents. And I think it's super pretty and really farmhouse girly with the copper fitting. I like that little touch. keep a lookout for another DIY on Wednesday. It's actually a collab that I'm really excited for. So let me know in the comments below if you're new here. I would like to welcome you. Also, let me know if you liked this project. If you're interested in more of the DIYs that I've been doing, I have a couple farmhouse ones that I've done recently and a lemon wreath. I will link my DIY playlist below and in the description box. If you guys have any new ideas for DIY projects that you guys would like to see, please let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!